Did you know there will be around 1.3 billion youth by the year 2030? You might be wondering why this really matters. Well, they will all be competing for jobs, admissions to prestigious universities. They'll all be struggling to make a mark of their own. It will be crowded in all domains of life. Your kids will be entering a fiercely competitive world with new problems, new issues like we have never seen before. With globalization, with automation, with advances in technology, and with way too many distractions, your kids are in a vulnerable spot to begin with. So it's extremely important for your kids to be engaged, enabled, and equipped with the skills to be ready for the future. As parents, it's our responsibility to ensure we give our kids the right tools to succeed. At LogiQminds, we offer comprehensive skills for your kids. Not just preparing for standardized tests, math and English, but also technology and future essentials. We have custom programs for your child's needs at our premium studio, right in your neighborhood. We offer math, English, as well as preparatory classes for competitive tests like COGAT, Math Olympiad, Math Kangaroo, SAT, and ACT. Our professional staff and certified teachers boost your child's confidence and academic performance. For those with a passion in technology, we offer VEX and LEGO robotics, coding, Python, Roblox, gaming design, Minecraft, digital electronics, and drones with hands-on training. We also offer essential skills like public speaking, entrepreneurship, chess, and interactive YouTuber courses to boost confidence and critical thinking skills. You might be wondering how all this works. We offer specialized bundle programs where you have an option to pick and choose your choice of annual programs, which run for the entire year, and can be combined with our short programs, which run for a shorter duration. Depending on the interests of your child, you have the option to pick and choose a combination of multiple annual and short programs. And no contracts, no commitment, with a lot of flexibility. It's a value-based service. Our studio is right in your neighborhood. Go reserve your spot now on www.LogiQminds.com. Our learning advisor will get in touch with you to discuss our offerings that suit your child's needs. Don't forget to ask for a free trial class.